This is a public service announcement to all the men out there, all the dads out there, all the 35 to 55-year-old gentlemen. Please listen. Right now, I am at Monmouth University at the high school football camp. This is an amazing event. College coaches teaching high school athletics. Incredible. These high school athletes have been escorted primarily by their fathers. I'm watching during registration the most unhealthy, overweight, obese, slovenly, sedentary, puffy, bloated, Red Bullous, alcohol-nosed dads standing next to their specimen high school athlete child. Dads, what are you doing? What are you doing? You used to be your son. Look at you now. Look in the mirror. You need to change your life. You need to become a leader in your household. You are failing your family. If you are overweight, if you are unfit, if you are unhealthy, you are failing. You need to step up your game, delay gratification, set goals for yourself, push away the alcohol, push away the processed foods, live a better, healthier life. You need to be the leader in your household. Be a man.